Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am Jesse from Jesse's Toy Reviews, but as you can see, things are a little bit different. You can see my face, and this is my brother David. So moving forward, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing different craft-based things, crafts and art. Food is not beyond us. We've got some pizza sitting here, but in order to really see what we're doing, we're going to have to go back in time, okay? And we're going to explain a little bit about what we went through to create this pizza axe. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. So I'm going to hand it off to David to go through the materials that we used to put it together.
The material we got here that we've been using is D2 spring steel, and the wood is a nice limb that I pruned off of the apple tree.
So it's a pretty simple project. We just had the metal and the wood. We put that together. Take a look at a couple of the screenshots that we have of the process along the way. So now the moment we've all been waiting for. We have a pizza axe. So now all we gotta do is make a pizza. So there we have it. The pizza is out of the oven. We have our pizza axe. Kind of reminds me of the old days. There we are. What do I do with these? Now we will see if it will cut. Nice and smooth. That sound is what we were looking for. So there's the answer to the question. Will it cut pizza? Yes, it will, and it looks pretty cool doing it, don't you think? Thank you everybody for sticking around. So obviously we're back to the pizza cutter and the pizza. We're going to be doing more projects like this in the future where we make stuff, food, stuff at the forge that we've got. We'll show you all that stuff later on, as well as a couple other things that we've been messing around with. So there's only one thing left to do.